Hello everyone, it's good to see you again on our channel. Don't know what to buy for your loved ones this Christmas? Don't worry. Today, I'll reveal 5 rules that will make your gift a perfect hit. Let's get started. The first rule, personalization. Instead of buying random gadgets, think about what will truly make the person happy. Consider their likes and interests. A book by their favorite author, a personalized mug, or a gadget related to their hobby. These are always a bullseye. Rule number 2, don't wait until the last minute. Buying gifts the day before Christmas Eve is a recipe for stress and empty store shelves. Shop early, and you'll have a wider selection and avoid the holiday rush. Rule 3, no more useless trinkets. Who hasn't received yet another candle holder or reindeer socks? Instead, focus on quality, not quantity. It's better to buy one thoughtful gift that will actually be useful. Rule number 4, listen to what your loved ones say. Sometimes they casually mention that they need new kitchen equipment or talk about how much they love a specific perfume. Take notes of these hints. It's the simplest way to pick the perfect gift. The final rule, presentation matters. Even the simplest gift looks better when it's beautifully wrapped. All you need is some colorful paper, a ribbon, and a bit of creativity. The wow effect is guaranteed. Summarizing our 5 golden rules for buying Christmas gifts. Personalize, plan ahead, avoid trinkets, listen to your loved ones, and don't forget about beautiful packaging. Which of these rules is the most important to you? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new tips. Merry Christmas to everyone.